Hey guys, this is Avocado MuZimba, and today we're back here with another live stream. With another Minecraft live stream. Hold on, I need to try this. So if I take shears.
Oh look, I did such a tornado.
And then I go. Where's the nearest beehive? There. I put some over here. So then, if I do. Say what? Ew, that's crazy. That's crazy. But don't I get like beat up if I try to do it while there's bees inside? That's pretty cool.
I did this on friends. I did some friends.
No, I'm saying like if I'm playing peaceful, if I'm playing survival. Why?
Yeah, that was what I did, and I tried to break it, but it wouldn't work. It wouldn't work to break
I don't even understand how or why. Oh yes, I was trying to make like a hopper system down here, but I don't know how to do it. Like I don't know. I don't know how to do it. What should I put here? Cause if because they'll just be able to jump over it, but then if I break this, then the lava just falls here. And I don't want that to happen. This is much more easier to see than playing two-player. Okay, so I blocked that. Or, what should I do? Or should I make like a back entrance? Yeah, I'll do like a back entrance, so from like the back. So I'll block this. And I break this. Oh, gotta block that. Is it falling? No, it doesn't look like it's falling. Okay, that's good. But yeah, also how do I do the end dragon egg thing too? Where's the bucket? There you go. Right. I'm gonna have to look that up. For now though, I need to make like a underground tunnel thing. So if I go down here, then I need to then I'm gonna have to put the chest here. So there needs to be dirt here. So I have to go down more. So where am I? Direction wise, alright. Yeah, I could come from like the back. Right, this is good. Just gotta break this tree. I'm gonna just start a quick forest fire because I can't really be bothered, so. Oh yeah, but then I need a bucket. Alright, looks like it worked. Yeah, I think it'll be fine. It should end soon, so everything's good. So I need to like open up the back here. Oh, I was a little bit off, so gotta do this. So then I'll put like ladders here. So I need to cover this. Okay, so now that I've got my secret tunnel figured out, I need to fill this in. I need to put some torches. What's a sea pickle?
Mommy, is it
I don't know what that does. Are those bees that I hear? Thought I heard some bees. It's a pretty nice world. I like my world. Alright, yep, there we go. Let's just put a random torch there. Gotta put that here. Maybe it won't spawn if I put it there. But I know I gotta put some in here. I gotta put them here.
Adi,
Huh?
this is the more.
I love my underground base. Huh?
This is the more.
Alright, hold on. Oh yes, and I also gotta put something here. Yeah, I'm gonna make like the whole thing made of blue glazed terracotta. So right now I just gotta gotta do that. Yeah, so that was like a failed first attempt at trying to do that. I hear a zombie, but like, where is he? So it probably won't let me sleep. Oh, it will. Cool. Where is the zombie? Oh, they're all just chilling here. Oh, okay, I need to fill that up.
Adi,
Yes, Victor?
this is the more.
Huh?
This is the more.
More? David, can you go take the pot? Can you take the pot there? Let's see here. Where did I see the diamond ore? There it is. Well, where are the other ores? Alright, there's gold, iron, netherite. Yeah, I need to see if I can like customize this. So what happens when I put this? I don't understand. What is it? Does it do anything? How do I do this, y'all? Oh, I think I need to pick one of these. Which one should I pick, David? Strength? Yeah, I'm gonna pick strength. What does that do? Did it work? Oh, so that's what you need to do. So if I do this, Will it give me ×2? That's pretty nice. That's pretty nice. Let's see this. So if I cancel that, then I put a gold again. Is it like only temporary? I can only have one? Is that how it works? Well, in that case, we'll pick regeneration. Oh, I think I get it now. What do you want?
Did I finish my class?
Huh?
I finished my class.
Wait, 4 minutes. Let's change it to 15 minutes. Because 10 minutes is too short. Alright, be careful, man. How do I do this hopper thing? Is it like a redstone thing? Or maybe I have to do a trapped chest. Let me try using a trapped chest. Wait, so how far is the range for this? Okay, so there is a range. Seems like there is a range. Oh yeah, okay, there is a range. Regeneration and strength. So that means my health gains by itself. So I don't need to eat food. Here you go. Alright, so let's see what else. Yeah, you know what, David, you can take over now. Alright, now my little brother. Why are you moving away?
Okay, let's get this started. Wait, I'll be back. Can I remove creator? Let me go do some hunting. Actually, I'm gonna do some TNT. Far away, but not too far. What? No. Now I'll just do some TNT like this. Okay, let me try use a torch to light it up. I don't know how to light it up, so yeah. No, wait. How do I light the TNT up? Okay.
You don't use a normal torch. Use something called a redstone torch. And then you just put it like that. Oh, wait, man.
Oh, yeah. Whoa. That's a lot of damage. Seems to be strong. I can even place it. Wow. Nice.
Yeah, but it's mostly just used for redstone stuff.
This is gonna be so big and so long. And after I'm gonna do some hunting, I think. ID is supposed to be folding. Okay, that's deep. Gonna try make it get so deep. That means it has to be so long and so far. So I'll pretty much build myself up. Wait, are my wolves here? Oh, wait. Are advocates wolves here? No, they don't seem to be here. This is gonna be so big and so omega. Wow. Almost done. Okay, let's get ready. 3, 2, 1. Oh wait. First of all, that was the wrong thing. What? Oh wait, L2. Put that back. Yeah. Wow. Nice. Okay, I think this is it for now. First, let me build, then it'll be. Oh, nice. Some dirt, I think. Oh. Go back up. Now, I'm gonna try fill this thing up with TNT and see how far it goes. What? No. Kinda looks like I'm going up, actually like going down. Like, won't work to do TNT here. Oh, there. Just needed to do that. Hope I don't. Oh no. Let me put torches. Now I don't even know which way I'm supposed to go. I think I'm supposed to go this way though. take all night. Okay, I'm almost there. I can tell because there aren't any dirt left. So I'm close. I hear water. Yeah, I'm close. Yeah, very close. And there. Yep. Let me fly while doing this. That'll be easier. Way easier. Not so far I'm gonna go with this. Prepare to explode. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, there's a spider. How deep is this? Wait, is that a zombie? Oh. Oh, wow. And that's as deep as it went. Come on. What? Come on. Come on. What? Okay, that's as far as I'm gonna go. Actually, never mind. After this, maybe on a different episode, I'll explore this place. I don't even know where I'm going. What? Oh. I hear a spider, I think. Oh, right there. Wow. I mean a zombie.
Did you find some emeralds?
Don't know what that is. I'm also like this also. And I'll connect it also with the thing. It's gonna die so hard. What? No, it's escaping. Okay, there. I have to connect it. Okay, oh, it's already connected. Oh, there's one over me. Wow.
There's no need to stop them as well. They're all gonna die.
Kind of sound creepy though.
Okay, he's escaping now.
Don't worry. It's gonna be so big, it'll destroy them at any far. Oh, I fell. Oh, I'm almost there, so I don't think it really matters since I'm almost there.
If you're wasting time, I only have 5 minutes, then it's gonna be my turn.
This place has some good stuff though. I'm playing. Almost there, come on.
Okay.
Oh wait, I already escaped. Okay, now for the big finale. Oh no.
Should have started it from
But if you ask what my goal is trying to do, oh, look what I found. Is I'm trying to get all the way until I get to the deep end. Then yeah. So now, as I said, I think I might explore. But first I'll go get some sleep. How did this not die? How did the spider not die?
Because when you're mining things up, start from the bottom, not from the top. Sit down.
Auntie. Okay. Trying to like trace this out. It's so big. Oh wait. Actually, I'll just do this. I don't even know what I'm trying to do. Okay. Oh wow. Look at all those creepers and stuff. After this, I'm gonna explode this. Just gonna do some of every bit. Okay. Time to blow everything up. Starting from here. Oh wait, that wasn't a good place to start. Never mind. Zombie, bye. Wait, I don't know why the creeper isn't dead. But if all
they should make creepers invincible to explosions.
Yeah, I think it should.
What are you doing?
Okay.
Alright, I'm back now. Hopefully that fixed my stick drift. Now where is home? Right there it is.
Oh wait, explode that.
Alright, I'm just gonna explode this since David asked me to. Is this a tame wolf?
No, it's not. I think
Goodbye, wolf. Alright, I've researched the ways. Hopefully now it'll work. Right, so I need a trapped chest.
wait,
And a hopper. No, you're not. There's still some.
Okay, where did you put them? Where did you put them? Where did you put them?
Check there.
Yeah, don't just put them back.
So if I drop this, come on. Why is it doing that? Why are you bullying me?
The only one I have left is this.
No, David, there's still some more.
Where?
Look, and you'll find.
I checked. I checked all of that. You don't even know. You didn't even check.
Oh, okay, finally. Now it works, but for some reason it only works when there's nothing near it. So that's kind of cracked. So I have to do it like this. Cause right now it's, yeah, it's connected. It's connected to the wall. Or maybe I could do it like this. Okay.
Oh wait, I think this one. Yeah, none of these are mine. Except for, yeah, none of these are mine. None of these are mine. Oh, only. Look, these two are the only ones. That's your jacket.
No, it's not. That's not my jacket. It's not my jacket.
Just fold it. I don't even know how to fold jackets.
That's how you learn. That's why you learn.
No, and also it's very big, so yeah. Plus that, so you can expand it.
End chest. Let's see, will an end chest work now? I'm stuck. Okay. Let's see. I don't know why I have a barrel. Come on, work. It's not even opening. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's not working. So wait, man. Let me finish my 15 minutes, then we'll play together. Cause now I can't even see. I won't be able to see. Let me finish. It's on top of the. It's where the other ones were. Let's see. Will it work now? Oh, oops, accidentally. I guess end chests don't work. Yes, okay. Now it's working. I'm just gonna put a barrel here. Like, I can't be bothered to try and fix it. Now what? I've connected this. I should probably put two others here. Then I connect them. No, you have to be connected to this. What? Let's try this. Okay, now it's connected. Oh, so if you're facing the wall, it won't connect, but if you're facing... Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Oh man, Minecraft logic. No. Now what? Okay, let's hope this works. So then Alright, I've done this. Now the problem is with the monster spawner. Photography table? Hey, yo, what? Oh, that's pretty sick. Flex. What is this for? Do I have to use my bow? What do I want to do? Right, monster spawner. So I just use the egg, and then it makes them spawn. So look, what are all the bad guys that we want? Nothing that can fly, otherwise it'll just fly through the top. I should probably put some glass so that they just don't die. Definitely not creepers, because they'll just explode. Not an enderman, because that will just kill me easily. So, wither skeleton, no. Wither, no. Stray, not slime, spider, zombie, pigment, husk, drowned, cave spider, not a witch, endermite, strider, hoglin. Yo, is it like an enderman? Is it like allergic to water? And then yeah, so the hoglin is just gonna kill everything. There's a zoglin and a hoglin. There's a piglin. Piglin's blue. Indicator evoker. Ooh, Ravager. So, how did he get? Alright, I think that's good. It seems like they just keep on falling into the lava and they are immune to it. So yeah. Yeah, and now they're just spawning outside, yeah. Yeah, so no Ravagers. It's a Ravager, it's a Ravager. Yeah, because they're all just spawning outside. I'm gonna have to kill all of these. Yeah, I'm doing slash kill all. Slash. There we go. That solved the problem. Oh, totem I'm dying. Big bet. Yo, my man's glitching. Alright, how about let's just stick to the normal. So yeah, let's just have regular mobs. Alright, I think we're good now. Why are they spawning out though? I don't know why they keep on spawning out here. Maybe I should like do this. Yeah, I'm gonna do this, then I'm gonna expand. Okay, I'm gonna do another slash kill all. There you go. Problem solved. Oh wait, oh. I have to move the chest. Finally, stop raining. Okay, so guess this means we have to put some more hoppers here. Wait, hold on. Okay, epic gamer move. Let's see if this works. All right, I also need to do that. What else? Right, I need the spawner. Right, dude, you can join now. Alright, let's go. What? The redstone? Just go back to the torches that you were looking at. Alright guys, I think this is where I'm gonna end the live stream. Maybe next live stream I'll show you how my little grinder thing went. I'll see you guys in the next live stream. Peace.